video, I showed you how to make the body for your Pinewood Derby. What we're going to do now is we're going to make the wheels. Now it's important that when we do the wheels, we do them as separate bodies, and I'll keep emphasizing making them a separate body. What we do here is we're going to turn the origin on. We're going to right click, we're going to create a sketch. Sorry, we're going to right click the origin, we're going to create a new sketch, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle. I'm actually going to draw the circle where I want the wheel to be, okay? Just to give it some proportion. So zoom in here, and you can see there's the dimension. Now sometimes you can actually put your own dimension in. For some reason it's not allowing me to do that at the moment. So I'm just going to have to just try and be as accurate as possible. 13.073 is pretty accurate. Okay, and my wheel was 13 millimeters. I don't know what yours is. I'm going to click that there, and now you can see that that is a nice circle, and it's been shaded. Okay, I'm going to go to my bodies here. This body one is the car. I'm going to hide that. Okay, you don't need to, but when we make this wheel, if I leave the body, it might stick to the actual body. When I make the wheel, it might stick to the body. I'll show you what I mean. Go modify, select this. You've got to make sure that the wheel and that don't join. You see how it says join here? That's no good. If you join it, it's going to be very difficult for you to separate it. You'll have to do some other things. So what you do is you go new body. Okay. The alternative one is you just hide that body, and then it will automatically be new body. Okay, so I'm going to press OK to that. Now you can see I've got two bodies. If you've got two bodies at this stage, everything is good. If you've got one body at this stage, then you've made a mistake, and you'll either have to undo it, or you'll have to split the body. Now that's modify and split body. Okay, and that's where you select the body and you select the thing that is going to split it. And I'm not going to go into it because you shouldn't have made that mistake, but the thing that's going to split it will be that line, and that will take away the wheel. Okay, obviously your car's got 4 wheels, regardless of where your wheels are exactly. There should be 4 on the car. So I take body 2 and I right click on the body 2, not on the wheel itself, and I copy, and I right click on body 2 and I paste. Now it's going to come up with a cursor or a load of arrows. Self-explanatory. That arrow will push it there, and that arrow will push it there. Simple stuff. So I'm just going to do these the wheels on this side first. They are actually the same length. However, because of my design, it looks a bit wrong, and my car wheel is right at the back there. Okay, so now I've got my wheels. You can see that that's not properly joined. That would be a bit naughty. I would need to make that joining, but for this purpose of just using CAD, don't worry about it too much. Okay, the next one is body 2, body 3. I'm press shift and select, just like you normally would, and then press paste. And now I've got 2 wheels, another 2 wheels on top, and I'm going to use that one here to just move these around. Okay, and there, look at that, nice and accurate, and then OK. Okay, so that's how I made the wheels. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to stop the video, and then I'm going to go into rendering, because otherwise the video is going to be too big.